Wagwan Raw Fam, welcome to another Rawsome recipe. Today we are in the sun-fired kitchen with Dr. Aris Latham, who is going to be sharing with us how to make low-fat coconut milk. If you have not yet watched the episode on 3 ways to make coconut cream, I suggest you do so now. That was actually the part 1 to this video. So I'll leave a link in the description section for the part 1, and if you have not yet watched it, watch it first and then come back and watch this, how to make low-fat coconut milk. Alright, now let's get into it. This is the coconut pulp, and we're going to use this to make coconut milk. So we did the coconut cream, the creme de la creme, and now we're going to do the coconut milk using the trash. We're getting everything out of this coconut. Lots of coconut pulp, and then we add the coconut water. Okay.
In both of them, and we'll blend them and press them.
Blend and press. Okay, coconut milk.
So go ahead with this one first. Blend it right here. And follow little. Now the coconut splash. Okay, so let's go ahead and get our press bag and the bowl, la bolsa. Turn it down, that's what I do. I did that. You're supposed to turn it down. You know, and what I do before I turn it off, I turn it down. Oh. So you know, turn it up, turn it up. Okay.
Pour the blend in the and press in the press bag and then press. Look at the coconut milk. Yes.
To tell you, for me, that's still value. To get that out, that's still value. And now what's left in this truly chicken, there's nothing.
You take everything out. Coconut milk.
Or you can flip the bag over. It's supposed to flip the bag. Oh, it's flipped, I'm sorry. So you see the trash ends up, the brown ends up at the bottom. Some people waste them time and peel the brown off.
That's a lot of work.
Yeah, some people peel it off.
So coconut milk. Just use the coconut pulp, blend it with some coconut water, and press. Pour mixture in press bag and press. See the coconut milk. We're gonna taste it right now. No fat coconut milk.
This is no fat, no fat coconut milk. I mean, literally, you know.
Because it took the creme de la creme out.
Took the creme. And you see, your body cannot break it down to get the value out of cream, out of coconut like that.
Okay.
So that's where, you know, we have this partnership with modern technology that has some value to it. Lava una de la licuadora.
Yeah. Thank you.
It's not, it's still rich. But you know what? We're using coconut water, not just plain water. You use plain water, it tastes like...
Yeah, because
then
it
you're
dilutes
You're going to
it.
reach for the sugar.
Yes, coconut milk.
I really hope that you enjoyed this video and that you found the information valuable. Thanks again for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video where we share another Rawsome recipe. Alright? Raw love.